Do you like these cute mini cabbage like Brussels sprouts? Brussels sprouts are mainly fresh and tender leaf balls, formed in the axillary buds of edible plants. The leaf balls have a rare shape, are fresh and tender, have a sweet and rich taste, unique flavor, and rich nutrition. Its protein content is the highest among leafy vegetables. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes in my channel. If you love cooking, do follow me now, so you may visit my channel anytime to find inspiration for your cooking. Let's start cooking. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts remove stem and outer yellowed layer. Drizzle olive oil or garlic and chili pepper olive oil. Sprinkle grind pepper. One teaspoon salt. Mix well. Cover pan with aluminum foil. Place Brussels sprouts into bowl. Put into air fryer basket. It's done. Smells so good. It's easy and delicious to air fryer Brussels sprouts. The middle part is still juicy and tastes sweet and delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel, so you may refer to the recipes in the future, anytime you like. Brussels sprouts are also rich in minerals such as zinc, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, manganese, etc., which help promote cell division, repair, and regeneration. It is also rich in dietary fiber, which helps defecation, lowers cholesterol, prevents the risk of cardiovascular disease, and even prevents type 2 diabetes. Brussels sprouts contain 20 essential vitamins, including important vitamins A, B, C, and K, which help improve human immunity and reduce the chance of disease infection. Brussels sprouts have many common names, such as baby cabbage, baby cabbage, baby cabbage, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, broccoli, broccoli, Brussels cabbage, Jersey cabbage. It has a bitter taste and may be difficult to swallow when you taste it for the first time, but when cooked at high temperature, boiling removes the bitterness. Boiled Brussels sprouts are often served as a side dish in Western food. Brussels sprouts is rich in dietary fiber. Eating it in moderation can promote gastrointestinal motility. However, eating a large amount may cause excessive gastrointestinal motility, leading to diarrhea and physical weakness. Therefore, it is recommended to eat in moderation. Brussels sprouts also has beauty and skincare effects. As a low-calorie food, people can also eat it appropriately during the weight loss period, which can assist weight loss. For female friends, eating some cabbage appropriately can also have the effects of beautifying the skin and maintaining body shape. Cabbage contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, which can protect eye vision, accelerate wound healing, inhibit calcium loss, prevent bone loss, supplement various nutrients needed by the human body, and help promote cell division, repair, and regeneration. There are more delicious air fryer recipes in my channel. Do check them all. YouTube, I share delicious recipe every day. There are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.